Good morning. This is Dr. Masudhan Reddy, PVR with Kavali. This video for second BTech first sem EEE students. Subject is Basic Electrical Circuits, Unit 5, which contain network topology. Already I covered a basic introduction of what is the graph theory and how to convert electrical circuit into graph covered in the earlier video. In this session, I will complete with complete incidence matrix, reduced incidence matrix, tie-set matrix, and cut-set matrix. So first you see that we want to see the complete incidence matrix. First we need the electrical circuit. So then we want to draw this incidence matrix. So I'll go for it with notepad because directly I cannot say that how to convert this graph, all these things. So first I'll go for it. I'll consider a network, a small network, which contain one resistance like this, like this, like this. So this is R1, R2, R3, L is connected a capacitor. So this is the network. So in this network, see that here, how many nodes are there? See, one node, two nodes, three nodes, and four nodes. How many branches are there? So nodes are four, branches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So branches 6. So first you draw this graph. When you draw the graph, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see here, so this is the one branch, 1. This is another branch, 2. This is another branch, 3. This is another branch, 4. This is another branch, 5. This is another branch, 6. So this is the graph. So from this graph, we want to write a incidence matrix. A is equal to here, we will see. So how many nodes are there? 4 nodes. 1, so for example, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got as 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here, how many nodes are there? 4 nodes. See here, 4 nodes. And how many branches are there? 6 branches. Branches are taken as rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many nodes are there? Columns. You'll take that. First, second, third, and fourth. So see here, this is the first node. In this first node, what are the branches are connected? 1, 2, 6. So, and if the node is entered towards If the branch is entered towards positive, if the branch is away from the node, negative. So away negative, away -1, towards +1, towards +1. We consider the towards +1. So here 1 is towards entering and 2 is away -1 and 6 is away -1. So here you'll go as the remaining branches are 0. So third branch, fourth branch, fifth branch is not connected. So then you'll come back here, the second node. So this is the second node. What are the branches are connected in the second node? So second node branch is connected as 2 towards 1 and 4 away -1 and 3 away -1. Then remaining are zeros. Then you'll come back third node. This is the third node. So how many branches are there? 3 branches. 4 is entering. 4 is entering. 6 is also entering. 6 is also entering. 5 is away. The remaining branches are zeros. Zeros. Then we'll come back fourth branch. 3 is entering. And 5 is also entering. And 1 is leaving. So remaining are 0. So this is about incidence matrix. So here you'll see that what is the incidence matrix? A is equal to here 1 -1 0 0 0 and -1. Similarly 0 1 -1 -1 0 0. Then we'll come back here. Sorry. Yes. Then we'll come back 0 0 0 1 -1 1. So then we'll come back -1 0 1 0 1 0. So this is about the incidence matrix. Then you'll come back here. So properties of incidence matrix. Algebraic sum of the columns entries of incidence matrix is 0. Algebraic sum of columns entries is 0. See here how. And next, determinant of the incidence matrix of a closed loop is 0. Determinant also, you take a determinant, definitely you'll get into this determinant of incidence matrix of a closed loop is 0. So this is about incidence matrix, how to write the incidence matrix. Then reduced incidence matrix. How you are getting this reduced incidence matrix? Incidence matrix is represented with A Reduced incidence matrix is represented with AA. See here how to represent this reduced incidence matrix. We'll see. So this is the incidence matrix. Then we'll come back. What is the reduced incidence matrix? So remember here, reduced incidence matrix is nothing but you will take any one reference. So here in this reference, you consider, so this is a, we will consider any one reference, and that reference node is eliminated. Reduced incidence matrix. See here, this is represented with AA. So if you remove this, so then it should be equal to, this is called as a reduced incident matrix, 1 minus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, and 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, 1. So this is about the reduced incident matrix. So here the determinant should be equal to 0. Here it will go as determinant. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Cross off this. So this is about the reduced incident matrix. Reduced incidence matrix is represented with reduced incidence matrix is represented with uh, AA. Then we can able to calculate number of possible trees also. That number of possible trees is equal to determinant of A into A transpose, where A is reduced incidence matrix and A transpose is reduced incidence matrix, transpose of reduced incidence matrix. So from this, we can able to calculate how many number of trees can able to draw for a given network, we can able to calculate. So this practically when we'll go to this video. Next, we start with the tie-set matrix, or also we call as a loop matrix. This tie-set matrix, are also called as a loop matrix, is represented with letter as a B. Incidence matrix is represented with letter as a A. See here, first we want to see the properties. How to draw this? How to write? How to draw this tie-set matrix? We'll go through the steps. Step 1: arbitrarily, a tree is selected in the graph. Second, from fundamental loops with each link in the graph for the entire tree. And mean, first you take a, from graph you draw a tree. After then, when you have a tree, then core tree you add it. Core tree is nothing but the link branches. You add the link branches. After adding this link branch, assume directions of loop currents oriented in the same directions of that link. So you should take it. We'll go for it. From fundamental tie-set matrix Bij, where Bij is equal to 1 when branch Bj is the fundamental loop I and their reference directions are oriented. Then Bj is equal to -1 when branch Bj is in the fundamental loop I, but the reference directions are oriented opposite direction. Then Bij is equal to 0 when branch Bj is not in the fundamental loop I. That I will explain with the help of a how to. And network equilibrium equations based on loop analysis is IB is equal to B transpose into IL. IB is the branch currents, B is the loop matrix or tie-set matrix, IL is the loop currents, branch current, the relationship between branch currents and loop currents. Now we'll go for it. We'll go through this. See here. So in this, In this, we consider the same electrical circuit in the earlier case. 4 nodes with 3 branches. 4 nodes with 6 branches. 1, 2, 3, 4. A branch, B branch, C branch, D branch, E branch. So here, first you draw the tree. First you draw the tree. First you draw the tree. So after drawing this tree, what are those? This is the C. Sorry. This is the C, and this is B, and this is A, B, C, D, E, D, D here. D, E, F. So here A, B, and D. These are the fixed. You draw on the tree. So this is the tree. Then you add the link. Then you add the link. Link. So this is about A, and this is about E, and this is about F. But it will follow this link direction loop. It will take this loop in this direction, in this direction, in this direction. So here we will go through this, follow this direction. Now we want to draw the matrix B. B is equal to here. We'll go through this. First of all, what are the, how many number of nodes are there? 1, 2, 3. Don't be considered as a reference node. Why? Because, so this is the reference node. Don't be considered this reference node. So be remember, any node should contain only one fig. If more than figs are there, that node is not to be considered. That is very important point. So here, how many nodes are there? 3 nodes are there. Then how many branches are there? Links are there. So see here, A link and E link and F link. Then you'll consider, due to this A, so here, what are those? First is A. Here, first is A and F. Then you'll come back here. How many branches are there? 6 branches. So 1, A, B, C, D, E, F. Mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here will be considered 6 branches. First branch, you see that. So in branch, so this is about A, B, C, D, E, and F. So first branch, at first node, what are the branches are connected? A, B, C. A, B, C. A is in which direction? Same direction, 1. And B is in which direction? Same direction, 1. And C is in which direction? Opposite direction, same direction, same direction. So 1. The remaining are 0. Then you'll come back. Second. Where is the second node? So this is the first node. This is the second node. And this is the third node. Come back to the second node. So what are the branches are there? E, D, and F. So F is same direction. So here you see that a loop. See that loop. Sorry for that. In this particular loop, so there are 3 loops are there. First loop, second loop, and third loop. In this first loop, okay, fine, over. Then you'll come back to the second loop. Second loop will contain BFD. BFD. B is opposite direction, -1. D is opposite direction, -1. F is same direction, 1. The remaining are zeros. Then you'll come back to this loop 3. So this is the loop 3. So in this loop 3, DEC. So loop 3, so this is the E is 1, and C is opposite direction, and D is same direction. So remaining are 0. So this is about the tie-set matrix. So this is tie-set matrix. See here, what is the tie-set matrix? Tie-set matrix is nothing but, what is the procedure? First to draw the tree, then draw the twig, add the twig. After then, take a loop. That loop direction should be in the same direction of the link direction. Then both the directions are same, positive. If the directions are opposite, your loop direction is opposite to the link direction, then -1. In such a way, we taken these values. So if no branch is available in that loop, so then we put the 0. So based on that, we follow that. We got this tie-set matrix. So this is about the tie-set matrix. Next, you'll come back to this. We've seen that what is the tie-set matrix for this. Next, we come back to the cut-set matrix. It is represented with Q. Procedure for forming a cut-set matrix. First step is, arbitrarily a tree is selected in the graph. Form fundamental cut set with each twig in the graph for the entire tree. So first you draw the graph on tree only, then you add the link. Then assume directions of the cut sets oriented in the same directions of the connected twig. Based on following this procedure, I will do that how to write this complete cut set matrix. From fundamental cut set matrix Q, where Qkj is equal to 1 when branch Bj has same orientation of the cut set K. Otherwise, opposite direction -1. If no is not in the cut set, then it is a K. Then you'll come back, network equilibrium equations based on nodal analysis is Vb is equal to Q transpose into Vn. Vb is branch voltage, Q is cut set matrix, Vn is nodal voltage. So then you'll go ahead as, I'll write this cut set matrix. Now we'll go ahead as same scenario. We'll take this same figure. So this is a graph. A, B, C, D, E, F. And first node, second node, third node, and fourth node. So this is the graph. As for procedure, first you draw the tree. So you'll go as tree. Next you draw the link. So see here, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we draw the cuts. So see here, every this should contain, if it is more than one peak. So here it is not a good way. So let me go for it here. Draw the cut. And you follow this a twig direction. A twig direction is nothing but in this way, and you here also draw this. So in this way, and here also you draw this in this way, So now we will see here, what is this direction, what is this direction, and what is this direction, and what is this direction, Okay, fine. Now we want to draw the matrix Q. Q is equal to here. We'll make that. How many cuts are there? Cut 1, cut 2, cut 3. So cut 1, cut 2, and cut 3. See here, what are those? A, B, C, D, E, F. Now good as. Cut 1. What are the branches are cutting? A, B, F. So A in which direction? Opposite direction. -1. B, same direction. Fig and both are same direction. And F is same direction. So F is the remaining C, D branches are not available. Then we'll come back second cut. What are those? D, F, E. So here E is opposite direction. And D is same direction. Then you'll come back. F is same direction. Then the remaining branches are 0. Next you'll come back, third cut. So see here, C is same direction, and A is opposite direction, and E is same direction. So remaining are zeros. So this is about cut set matrix. See here. So this is about the cut set matrix. So like this, we can able to draw this cut set matrix. So based on these properties, we formed as a cut set matrix. Thank you. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. All the best. God bless you.